And then we'll save that template. And then we're going to come back over here to the packages, and we're going to go to our main post box. Oh, actually, what we're going to do, this is our single post box. We want an archive post box. So post formatting, add package, archive post box. And yeah, we'll leave it like this for the moment. Under our options, our font setting, our font size again was going to be 18. Our font weight was bold. Oh no, pardon me. Pardon me. 375, that was the width of the text. The headlines were 18. And the font weight was bold. We'll let all the rest of that stuff be automatic. And then let's get the query box post format, because we want essentially the same information. To apply to our archive post format or post box. Although instead of query box, it's going to be post box. Okay, and in this case, we also actually, that's what I should have done really, is this. Consolidated those. So if it's not a link, I still want it to be, yeah, I still want it to be that color. And now, that's still not working for us because we still aren't looking at our toddlers. You know, I'm going to change this menu. So I'm going to come over here to menus, home menu, which is what I believe is, no, main menu. Is that right? Is that what's happening here? So if we look at Uber menu for a second. Okay. So it's the main menu is the Uber menu. Okay. So then what we'll do is we'll come down here to Todd's and we will remove it. And then we'll come up here to categories, to Todd's, Toddlers. We'll add it to the menu. Up between kids, up below, above kids, and then we'll change it to Todd's. Save that menu. Now when we go to Todd's, now over menu doesn't work inside the canvas. But now when we go to Todd's, we're actually going to the category. No, we aren't. Yeah, we are. Okay, there we go. So okay. So we need to come over to our skin editor and just make sure we got this right. Post box, archive post box. That stuff done. Okay. So now we save the CSS. Okay, almost. So I've got the funny, so archive nav must have a border. Okay, well we can muck about with that in a little bit. Why is this border existing? Post box, border top. Yeah, we want to get rid of that. Okay. So if we come back over here, well, actually what I think we really need to do is set aside the archive type post box from the regular post box. And I think the best way to do that is to come over here to the template. And we're on the Toddler archive. We're on our home post box. And I think that's what we're going to say archive here. Under HTML class. If we refresh this, yeah. If we refresh that, now we have archive and okay, so we're going to call it archive postbox instead. So instead of home postbox, it'll say archive postbox. That'll be the class. And then we will change our CSS so that this archive postbox also has that class. Okay, archive postbox. Oh, I also have to change those additional CSS items. So our headline in this case should be should have the color. Headline A. Archive post box. Obviously I've just got a little bit of stuff wrong here. Somebody noticed this was 35 instead of 375. Thank you. Oh, that's the other place it needed to change right there. Archive postbox headline A. There we go. So archive postbox headline, archive postbox headline A, hover. Okay. See, the thing is, once you get this down for your first one, all the rest of them just fall into place. Right? So, obviously, Toddlers Education needed a featured image. Right? And so, if we come over here to Edit Post and set a featured image, and look for Toddlers Education. Well, I thought I saw a good one there someplace. Yeah, well, okay, we'll use that one. Set featured image. And now, if we refresh this page, we're going to get Toddlers Education and then the toddler flu symptoms. And every time we keep on adding new toddler posts to this, you know, we'll end up with something else, right? So for education, we've just got this. And for health, we've got that. We don't have anything under potty training currently. We don't have anything under child care currently. But now we've got our toddler stuff.